This is the Greenote corded stick vacuum cleaner. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get a user manual. This here is a wall mount bracket for it. You can see how that'll mount up on the wall, and then it'll hold the vacuum. They give you screws and wall anchors with it. This is called a receiver clip. They give you the extension tube, and this is expandable. As you see here, you would push that, and then the tube here will come out. I'll show you that in better detail later. Over here you get an upholstery attachment, crevice tool right here, as you see, just like you would expect. And this is another smaller crevice tool, as you see. However, this has a trick feature with a brush on it, and the brush can push out like that and snap into place like that. So this way it blocks the airflow off there and allows it only in there, so you can get into tight quarters with it like that. And they also give you, of course, the floor attachment here. This also has a selector on it for bare floors, like hard floors and carpeting, and when you press on that, it will extend the brushes out over here, as you see, and you can snap them back in. Some pads here and a rubber wiper strip over here. There are casters, and that of course plugs into the vacuum. Here is the vacuum itself. It's of a bagless design. Very simple. This is a corded vacuum. They give you about a 20-foot cord on it, as you see there. We'll be using that later, obviously. Power switch on and off. Very simple. Right at easy reach. Over here is where you put your nozzle on. You can use it direct if you'd like that, or you can use the blue extension tube here, and that way it can actually extend out fully to the floor. This is the dirt cup, because like I said, it's a bagless design. Let me get that open for you. Inside you see a blue pre-filter and the main HEPA filter right here. These can be washed, dried, and put back, and of course you can also get replacements for them. And to empty it, it's very simple. As you see, this thing here pushes down, which is what opens this up. So you do this over the garbage can, and it pops open, and gravity will take that, and the dirt will fall right out into the garbage. Now what I'd like to do is just to run it for you quickly, just so you can hear how it sounds. It's not very loud at all, so we'll turn it on. And that's it. Suction right there. And your air outlet is over here. Convenient handhold, so you can hold the whole unit and use it like that. We can put an attachment on that, such as a crevice tool right here. And now this can be used just to suck up little things like that, whatever it may be. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and hook up this here, and I'll also show you how it works, and then we will go ahead and vacuum the floor using the floor attachment. Also, I wanted to show you there's another filter on the back. You just twist, pull that off, and there's another filter there that you can keep clean to ensure you have the best suction. And then that goes right back on and locks into place. Now as far as the extension piece here, I have the floor attachment on here, and what you can do is take this, push the black clip, and it extends out. And as you can see, you can go anywhere you want to get the right length. I'm going to put it to the farthest position there, and we're going to go ahead and vacuum the rug here. Now this is a stick vacuum. Now, stick vacuums generally are going to work best on hard floors and not carpeting, but it can certainly do quick pickups on carpeting without any problem, and that's what we're going to do here today. So I'll go ahead and turn the unit on, and we'll vacuum this and see how it does. Well, it's certainly picking up this little rug here, and there was a lot of stuff on it. It does seem to have some weird harmonics going on, but if you don't mind that noise, then, you know, when it's on the floor, it goes away, and it'll work just fine. But up in the air, it does have a weird kind of harmonics thing going on. You can go ahead and vacuum this. Vacuum back there. Runs very nice and quiet. It sucked up all the detritus and debris that was on this little mat rug, whatever you want to call it. And again, besides that strange harmonics noise, the vacuum itself runs very, very quietly. There's all the dirt that I picked up spinning around in there. So you get that cyclonic action in there. And all around, it seems to work very, very well. It's quiet. You can carry on a conversation with somebody while using this. Most certainly. Maybe you have kids and they eat cereal or crackers or something and drop that on the floor. This can easily pick that up very, very quickly. You can adjust the thing over here. This is for use on hard floors. In that position, flip it back for carpeting as such, and it seems to do a fine job like that. This vacuum has 18 kPa, or 18 kilopascals of suction. It's quite powerful, indeed. I want to take this off here for a moment. And I have a piece of paper I'm going to get so you can see the suction on it better. If I crumple this up enough, it will suck it in. There it is right there. It got it. No problem. Plenty of suction on this, so even though it's a stick vac, while it may not do the job of a more established professional vacuum for quick pickups and that, there's plenty of suction here. You see all the rest of the dirt that it picked up here, and it did a fine job with that just on this little mat. So imagine, instead of just this, what it can do for your house. So whether it be an entire quick vacuuming for the entire house, or just quick pickup of little messes here or there, the Greenote corded stick vacuum works fantastic. Being that it's corded, you never have to worry about batteries running out. It's always there for you. You just plug it in, runs very smooth, very quiet, and did a fine job. Sucked up all kinds of dirt, all kinds of everything, and did a fine job all around. It's also very lightweight, fits in the hand nicely, as I had showed before, weighs under 3 pounds. This is like holding a hairdryer that's a bit bulkier, is really all it is. It's very lightweight, easy to use, and easy to pick up. Great for the car also, because you can hang on to that, put your Crevice Tool on there, and do some quick pickups like that. and all around a great handy vacuum to have around from Greenote. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.